If a piece of equipment, employee, location, or route need to be categorized differently and put into a new site or zone, it can easily be changed within MAPCON. In this tutorial, we'll look at how to reassign sites and zones in your MAPCON system. It's important to know the difference between a zone and a site. A site can be thought of as a separate physical location, and within the sites exist zones. Think of zones as designated sections within the overall site. Zones are exclusive to MAPCON Pro, whereas sites are available in both Pro and Lite versions of MAPCON. To learn more, watch our video tutorial on sites and zones. Once an asset is assigned to a site and/or zone, users can reassign the asset to either a new zone within the same site, or an asset can be reassigned to a completely different site and zone if needed. For example, if an asset currently located at the primary site in the zone Plant A, it can be moved to another zone within the same site, such as Plant B, or to a different site and zone, such as Site 2, Plant C. Changing an asset or employee's site or zone is done on the reassignment screen. In MAPCON Lite, to bring up the reassignment screen, at the main menu, select the Administration menu, the System Setup menu, Site and Zone menu, and then select Site Reassignment. In MAPCON Pro, follow the same steps, but the button will now read Reassign Zones. Once in the reassigning screen, to find the asset or employee to be reassigned, first, double-click on the site and zone the asset or employee are currently in. By default, the Equipment tab will come up, but the Locations, Routes, and Employee tabs can also be selected to look up those corresponding assets. For now, let's look at Equipment. Double-click the blue field to bring up the list of available equipment. Then, select the equipment to be reassigned. This can be done for as many assets as desired. Please note that reassigning the asset or employee's site and zone will also reassign the site and zone of all the work orders attached to it. Another way to select multiple assets at once is by selecting a specific zone in this box on the right and checking the Reassign All Equipment box. Once all of the assets are selected, click the drop-down menu next to this red field and select the desired new zone. Finally, click Reassign Zones Now. In MAPCON Lite, this button will read Reassign Sites Now. For these tips and more, check out MAPCON Technologies on social media. Thank you for choosing MAPCON.